Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a very basic cable stitch for those of you who don't know how to knit cable already. And we're going to start by casting on a multiple of 8 plus 2 stitches. So we're going to start with a purl 2, followed by knit 6, purl 2, knit 6, and just repeat this to the end of the row, ending with a purl 2. So on the other side we're going to knit 2 and purl 6. So basically you're just knitting into the stitches that look like knit stitches because you're on the other side of the row, and purling into the ones that look like purl stitches. Purl 6 and then knit 2 again, purl 6, and just continue purling 6 and knitting 2 and ending the row with a knit 2, end with a knit 2, so just repeat the 2 rows you've just done a further 3 times, so 6 more rows. So now we're going to do the first cable row. So purl 2 as before, and this next stitch, or it's called cable 3 forward. So you're going to take 3 stitches onto the cable needle, and then you're going to knit the next 3 stitches, and then you're going to knit the 3 stitches from the cable needle. It's actually quite easy. Cable knitting is wonderful because you can create lots of different patterns, but it's not, not too complicated to remember because you can see where to do things from the previous rows. So that's purl 2 again and cable 3 forward again. So knit the next 3 stitches and then go back to the cable needle and knit the 3 stitches from the cable needle. Purl 2, and cable 3 forward again. So 3 stitches onto the cable needle at the front of the work, and then knit the 3 stitches from the cable needle. And finally end with a purl 2. And turn your work around. So you're just going to do another 8 rows of what you did before the cable row. So knit 2. Now be careful to pull your yarn quite tightly when you knit into the purl into the first couple of stitches, just so you don't leave any unsightly gaps. But other than that, it's pretty easy and straightforward. Knit 2, tug the yarn when you purl in the first 2 stitches, and then continue to purl into the purls and knit 2, and again purl 6, pulling the yarn for the first couple. And end with knit 2. So just continue and work another 7 rows, and you can see there the cabling looking rather lovely. And yeah, that is how easy it is to do a cable 3 forward cable stitch.